Hi and welcome to Our Kids Code. I'm Mary and today I'm going to show you how to put the code together for the Conductor project. As you can see, we're starting here on the Scratch homepage, which you might remember from doing the Dance Map project. Click the Start Creating button here on the left to take us to the program page. If you want to stop and watch the tutorial, you can do that. I'm going to close it now to give space for Conductor. So to do Conductor, you're going to need one of the extensions. So if you remember, we go down to this lower left square purple button, click that, and then we can choose extensions. So for Conductor, we want video sensing. So that's this one here with the blue hand. Click that. And now we have video sensing blocks of code to choose from. And you can see that here on the right, my video has popped up. So you will need a device or laptop with a working camera to do this project. You can see that Scratch the cat is over my face, so I'm just going to move him up here to the corner. And I might also want to make him a little bit smaller. So the size is here at 100. So if you highlight that and change it to 70 and then click out, you can see he gets a little bit smaller, and that will be useful. So to program Scratch, we're going to select a when video motion is greater than 10 block. Then we're going to go to the sound section. That's this hot pink button. And we're going to choose play sound meow until done. So what happens then? If I reach up and I have movement in my video where Scratch is, he's going to play the sound meow until done. So you can pause here and complete that step and then come back if you like and see how we can make some more sprites to make more sounds. So welcome back. We're going to make some more sprites now. So go down to the very lower right and you'll see a little cat face and click choose a sprite. You can see there's loads of sprites to choose from. I'm going to pick ballerina for the next one. So ballerina pops up over my face again. So I'm going to put her up in the corner and I'm going to change her size to 70 as well. And then you can see there's no code here. When sprite is highlighted down here, you can see sprite's code and sprite is up here. Sorry, Scratch is up here in the top right. When I click ballerina, there's no code. So I have to go through the same steps again for ballerina. So I'm going to click video sensing and select a video motion block and then go to sound and select play sound block. You can see ballerina comes with her own sound, which is pop. And so what happens then when I touch ballerina? She pops. So I'm going to pause now, and then I'm going to make 3 more sprites using the same steps. I'm going to let you go and do the same, and then we'll come back and see how we can change their sounds. Okay, welcome back. As you can see, I've now got 5 different sprites. I've got Frog and Scratch, Apple, Ballerina, and Dot the dog. So they're all going to make their own sounds when I touch them. But look, Frog and ballerina have the same sound. So how can I change the sound so that they don't sound exactly the same? When I've got frog highlighted, I can see frog's program here. So then I'll go up to the sounds tab on the upper left and you can see there's pop sound is here for him. If I want to add a new sound to his menu, I go down to the bottom left and click choose a sound. And there's lots of different sounds to choose from. So I think I'm going to go with boing. So click boing, and now that's added to Frog's menu. I go back to code. I click the drop-down menu, and look, now boing is an option. So I'm going to choose boing for him. Boing, boing. Now he says boing when I touch him. So you can also record a sound, or you can go to the add extension block and choose music, and then you can add drums or lots of other sounds. So get creative and decide what you want each of your sprites to sound like. So the last step to do is to add a backdrop, and that's all the way over here on the right. So down the very bottom right, we have choose a backdrop. So you want to pick, there's lots to choose from. Pick one that looks good with your group. So maybe concert. So we can choose concert and then step back. You'll have your baton and you can choose and make your own concert with your own sprites. So that's how to make Conductor. Enjoy.